Hello everyone, thank you for being patient on my video uploads. It's been quite busy lately, and today I have another delivery from eBay. So guess what's in it? Yep, it's more mini discs. I'm in a different location today, mainly because in my office the computer's quite busy on a different video task from actually a business one. So that's well packaged. That's pretty well packaged. That's the way to do it, I think. I did have a delivery. I might have posted the video for it, but I did have a delivery that was very badly packaged, and the guy has agreed to refund the money, and that's gone back to him because the box was broken. There we go. So more of my favourite type of mini disc at the moment. Maxell 74 MD colour mini discs. Now I'm hoping these are the ones with the black part in the background. It's very difficult to tell on camera, and of course I'm holding it by the camera and I can't see it, so 1 second. Ah no, these ones, we can see it better there. So it's got a blue front plastic on the mini disc itself, and behind you can see a white background. So these aren't the ones I like, so let me go and get a couple of these that I've already opened. Won't be a second. Okay, I'm back. So these are the ones I've just opened from the recent eBay delivery, and these were the ones from the Rainbow 15 pack, which there's a card at the top of the screen that you can watch that video again. So the barcode's going to be different, but this is just have a look. So these are the top ones are 436452, and the bottom ones are 445171. So the bottom one, the 15 pack, was produced after this. So what these ones are these are ones I bought from eBay, which are already used, and they've got a white back on them. So they've got a coloured front and a white back. These are the ones that I bought in the 15 pack, and these have a black back. So they've got a coloured front and a black back. So let me show you that one there. And these, I prefer these with the black back on them. So let's compare these two. They're both 74s from Maxell, and they look very similar actually, but these ones are the later version of these. So I think based on that barcode, this new box that I bought here was actually produced earlier than the 15 pack that I bought before. And I think, what do you think? Do you like the ones with the white back, or like the ones with the black back? I think they look much more professional. So I've got another one of those in yellow. All these back. Clearly I've been using these. I don't like labels, so I just stick post-it notes on the back to indicate what they are. And I think this has got to be my favourite at the moment, my all-time favourite mini disc, the one with the black back from the Rainbow pack. And there's the one with the white back. So that will be the same as those ones, I think. So like I say, I don't really like these ones with the white back as much, but they're still really nice discs. But what I do like is the mini disc box, and I do need a few more of these. I'm trying to add to my collection and have a lot of these brand new mini disc boxes. So even though I could sell these on now, but what I think I'll do is I'll open them up and keep the box and maybe use the mini discs inside. So let's have a look and see if we can do that right now. I'm always a bit wary of using a metal blade or something to get into these. Let's have a look at this card in a bit more detail. Mixed colour, so that says colour with the OUR. And what does that one say? I would imagine that's the colour one as well. It doesn't actually say on that one. So very similar packaging as before. You can pause that and have a look at it if you want. Oh no, look, that's broken as well. Oh, that's such a shame. That could have been, right, if you're sending mini discs off, make sure they're packed well. That could have been broken before. It's just got whacked at some point. That's a real shame, because I do like things to be perfect when I buy them. So let's have a look then. We've got, let's compare these. So let's have a look at the yellow. That's from the rainbow pack with the black back. That's the one I bought used. Sorry about that, just had to stop for a sneezing fit. Okay, so let's compare these two then. You can have a good look at those. So the one on the right is the one with the black back, and the one on the left is the one with the white back. So really they do look very similar. Try and get through the shadows and a bit of focus. They're the same on the side. So these are the ones I opened in the Rainbow 15 pack video. So we might as well have a look at, oh right, let's look at the codes on the back. Ah, look at that, they're both the same code. So the same product code. So I think I saw this with the Sony colour pack. Again, there'll be a card at the top of the screen to watch that video, where they had completely different discs inside and different packaging, but the same product code. So you can see that the barcode number is exactly the same and the item code is the same, even though they are clearly different discs. So the black one is that one there, and we're going to open up the one with the white back and have a look and see what's different about that. So barcodes aren't unique to the discs. That's what we established with the Sony one, and that's what I've now established with the Maxell one. I always thought the barcodes, which are actually called unique product codes, are unique for the production run, but that is not the case anymore. So there's the stickers. There's the inlay card, and on the right is the inlay card from the one with the black back. They're probably exactly the same, I would guess. Spot the difference. If you spot a difference, let me know. They look the same to me though. Let's have a look at the cases. The one from the black backed one is the one at the top. They look identical as well. So really the only difference is, I think, on these discs, this is the one I've just ordered, and this is the one I did a video on before. Let's have a look. And the problem is you can see that quite well on the video, I think, but I can't see it very well because the camera's in front of it. So bear with me, but that does look exactly the same. Different shutter. There's a slight difference. I don't know whether you can see it there. You've got three round, or you've got several round moulding marks there, but oh, you do have them. They are the same on there. I'm going to have to look at this video afterwards and see if I can make... Yeah, they look the same, don't they? Let's have a quick look at the back of the two. Let's get them in the right order. That's the new one, and that's the one I opened before. So yeah, they look the same. So my guess is, there's no code on that. That's made in England as well. Okay, so my guess is they've just used a different colour plastic in the back of the more recent version and the one I opened earlier. So still a nice disc, really nice disc. I love the yellow ones. You can see the scratches on this one there because I've been using it, but I really do prefer the ones with the black background on them. This is the one that I've just unwrapped. This is the one that I bought used from eBay. Spot the difference. I've had a quick look and I can't see any difference between those two, so I'm going to assume they're the same discs. They look the same. You probably can't see it very well, but they look the same on the top and on the bottom. Hard to focus, but they do look the same on the side as well. And that side, and then the back. Yeah, so on the back, I'm trying to avoid the shadows here, but they look the same as well. So I'm pretty confident that these are the same disc. That one was the used one, that one was the new one that I've just opened. So, a shame about the box. Oh, let's look at the boxes. Let's compare the boxes. Okay, I'm comparing the boxes now. Unfortunately, this one has got a big crack down the front. Now I've opened it, I can't really return it back to the seller. So it's a real shame that the box is cracked. But that box, being the earlier production run, is slightly smoked compared to this one, which is very clear. You can see it might be made of a different material. So you can see here, it's got a blue edge to it. You can see there it's got a slightly blue edge to it. This one here has a white edge, so I think the blue edge might be acrylic or polypropylene, and the white edge is the opposite. So I wonder if there's any markings on this one. This is the one from the 15 packet. Again, look at all these scratches on there. It's, they don't last very long, so let's see if we've got any identification on here to say what it is. Oops, sorry about that. I'll have to edit out that sound. No, it's not obvious from the box what it's made from. I put these little silicone feet on the bottom of the box because I did have it on some, you see those little dots? I had it on a high grip, what do they call them? One of those mats that stops things from sliding around. And unfortunately, this plastic is so soft, where the grippy mat was on, it's made little spots on it. So I put these little silicone feet I get from eBay on the bottom of them just to keep them in nice condition. So yeah, it's nothing obvious on that box to say what that is, but that is definitely a blue colour by comparison. So it might be the same material just with a blue dye in it, or it could even be a different material. So you've been very good with the comments, thanks very much. Keep those comments coming because it does help. I've had a recent comment, and I don't have his name to hand, sorry, but he does say that minidisc.org has a community which is still active, which I didn't know, so I'll be checking it out soon as well. So please stay subscribed, click the notification bell if you want to find when the videos actually go up, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.